Hi guys, my name is Twinsie with Ned.
Tissy.
Hi guys, so today I bought a new patch cage that my dad bought for me. I'm so excited. It also has some free gifts. Yeah, this one is called, if you guys know Chinese, I can tell you guys. It's called Mang Tai. Mang Tai. Yeah, Mang Tai. It says there's a lot of cute little drinks in there. So there's 100 in there, so we're gonna each get 50. So
let's open it.
Let's open it.
Caesar.
Okay. 不要动水，不要放水。So, what's this? So cute. Okay. 讲2元。快。Okay, so we have a little cute tray here.
Yeah, it's cool. No, we can put our dish here.
Okay, so we're gonna each get one. Don't open. Okay, 放做好了已经。One for you, one for me. One for you, one for me.
Let's go.
She 不想摔了，直接开。是可以。我们全部都买，我们全部放一起来。Okay, so we're gonna start opening. So I hope you guys will like it. Let's choose one. Close your eye. Choose one.
I will sit first.
I'll choose this.
Let's open it.
That's that.
Wow.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. This is I got this cute cherry.
And I got this french fries with sauce.
No, I think this one is french fries on cheese. Okay, so we're gonna put here first, okay?
Yes.
Okay, next the yellow.
Then I will take one. It's my turn. Let's choose. Okay, let's choose this one.
Let's choose this one.
Okay.
I hope it's a drink. I really like a drink.
Let's see.
No
Wow,
way.
I got this.
What's this?
I got a wait.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, so she got a bread. And I got, what's that?
Drink?
Oh, I don't know. I still don't know. I think this one is the soda, I guess.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. No, it's my turn. Just choose one, okay? What do you think is a special one? Just pick one.
I will take this.
I'll take this.
Let me open it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh my god!
I got
I like the
this.
purple. Let me see. So my sister got this one. It's very cute. It's also the same as me brand, but it's on. Oh my gosh! It's on Chinese version. Oh my god! It's just like my friends. Okay, look at this. And my friends have this before, but I haven't noticed. But
Just take it.
okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Let's open it. Go.
I think I got a sushi. I really got a sushi.
Oh my gosh, your one's so cute. Okay, so Ava got a sushi and I got a Starbucks frappuccino. 放进去，帮忙放进去了。我放进去了。
Okay.
因为我说 Starbucks frappuccino。
要我的放在那里。
Okay, let's. 我们没有分我们的 ，OK？ 我们一起下 ，OK？ 来，等一下我把这个。Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. I feeling that this is so lucky.
I got a mineral water.
Oh, same! I know your one is a beer. So she got a beer and I got a mineral water. This is very common to everybody. This is mineral water. Hey, not that fast.
Okay.
Come on, choose. I take this one. I like waters. Let's go.
Take this one. Oh, I got a bread again.
I
got a bread again.
Okay, I hopefully that we didn't get 2 of the same things. So she got this break of braid. I really like it so much.
Okay.
I bought 100 of them.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's take it. No, I want to take it.
This one.
I want to take this. I will take
废
it.
话了. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Take the.
Oh, you got soda. No, I don't think it's soda. I got a crown. It's so cute.
I got this, but it's same color.
Let me see.
Lilo and Lilo.
So, I'll let you guys get a closer look. And I got a cute little corn.
Let's see. That's the other one.
Okay, this anyway. Let's take this one.
Well, I'll take this one. Oh, I got this.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Wow.
I'm hoping to get something more special and more famous. And China, of course. Can I see?
Yes, here you go.
我放好了才给你. She got fruit juice. Yeah, everybody knows this fruit juice, right?
你干嘛耶？
拿走。
看你听，靠近你听听喂。
把这个抽掉.
Okay.
And what's this? Okay, this I also got the mineral water.
I
You
think
have
it's
two
not
mineral
mineral
water.
water.
No, it's mineral water.
Okay, eat your salad stick.
I'm gonna take this.
I will
I'm
take
feeling
this.
so lucky.
I think I eat this.
Oh my god, I got eggs. I got eggs.
I like, wow!
Whoa! Whoa, you're so lucky. Okay, it's okay. We're so pretty, right? So, she got this one.
These
Oh my
are
god,
cute.
so cute. It's so shiny.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, it's not that fast. Wait for me.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, choose.
I'm gonna choose this.
Oh, we got this.
I hope. Wow!
Whoa, I got one of this, but my friends took it. Okay, she got a beer,
Come
and I got a orange. I got a passion fruit juice. So pretty. Oh my god, I just want to cry so much.
Come on, let's see. One, two.
I'm so happy that my dad will bought me this. I'm very appreciated. Thanks, Dad.
I want to take this. What is that?
Popsicle.
It's a popsicle, my one. Always water one.
Choose it wisely. So she got a Mountain Dew juice, and
You got a popsicle.
I got a popsicle. Yeah, it's very giant.
Okay, let's see.
I think this one. Go.
No.
Wait, how do I go?
Okay.
Actually, I got a beer.
I think
I
I
hate beers. I like this cute frappuccino. You know, I love frappuccinos.
I got Sprite.
Oh my gosh, I've been wanting a Sprite. Thanks.
嗯，
你有没有小小的？
我要拿这个。
没有，要选部的小小。OK，这样子说选部小小，我们才可以一起玩。OK。
一起玩，可是我要个。
不要，我们选部的小小，不管你喜欢不喜欢，你也可以用到的。我可以玩，你也可以玩。OK。
Okay.
I'll choose this one. It's so big.
I will take this one.
Let's open it. It flew. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
I got a sushi again.
No, it's illegal. She got a sushi again, and I got this. It's very blue. Eat this one.
No.
Bro, it's meatballs. I got meatballs.
Let me see.
Meatballs. Meatballs. I got meatballs. Look at me.
I got this.
I have a friend. Okay, once I'm opening, I need to
I
tell
got
you
this.
my story about my friend. She was a bully when I was little in kindergarten.
You I leave everything. Let's go.
She bullied me very long. So I tried to get away from her. Her name is Jenny. And then today, when we became best friends.
Wait, don't never buy.
Oh my gosh, I got young. Yeah. She always bully me. No matter how I've been nice to her, I try to be friends to her so long, but she never even wants to friend with me. Now we have a fight together. I still don't know why.
Wow, it's so cute. It's so cute.
Oh my gosh, so cute! She got an elephant and I got this cute one. It's like an Isa.
I'm so lucky.
很多玩意儿。
对呀，还要吃我们东西。
Okay,
1, 2.
next.
I take this.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
No,
Wow, burger!
they can be the Mr. Fries.
Okay.
Okay, this
What
one.
is that?
I have no idea.
Okay, let's do that. Let's take this. I will take this. Wow.
Hey, I told you. Did I told you not to open it? Okay, fine. You open it. Just throw the rubbish, okay?
Let's see. Wow, it's a cute.
Oh, I got the juice. Let's see. Oh, so cute. Okay. Oh, I think your one's mochi. I got this one.
I got this one. Yes, give us see. Guys, I got this.
Okay, put here. 我看我们这样多。
Let's take.
你看这样多，我一定很多。Okay, I'll take this one. I'm feeling that this is so lucky. Guess what is it?
I don't know.
It's Britney Doe.
Oh my god.
Oh! What's it? Oh my god.
I got Starbucks coffee.
这个你配那个 frappuccino.
Okay.
Okay. I choose this one.
I
No, I
choose
choose this.
this one. I
Go.
think it's this one. Wait,
Bro,
what
why
is
did I keep getting mineral water?
that? Whoa, what is that?
I have no idea, but you can think it's like an oyster, I guess.
Okay.
Or a meat jam.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got bread.
I think no good. I got this.
So cute. I like purple. It's my favorite color. Okay, I've got to take this.
I got this.
It's the skin colors.
What? It's
I got
purple? What?
Oh! 看到的，
我喜欢。
不想知道我们是哪个学校的，可以放这里。I like
eat.
purple. I like this big one.
I want this.
The color is very. Oh my god! Did I just get a pancake or is this something else? Oh my god, so cute. So cute. It's like blueberries.
Oh, yes.
You can see? Oh, tatting. I know what. I don't know what's this, so it's very famous. I've saw on my oh yo, 我在书包里面还有一些。
I'll take this.
I got eggs. Eggs.
I
hate
got.
I love eggs, but
Ew, what is that?
都是很吓人。
Wow.
What is this? Oh, dumplings.
Let's see.
This one, I think.
I will take this one.
Bro, I love.
it's so cute.
Let's see. Bro, I just keep getting this. It's like he's getting the minerals.
I'm gonna take this. I got a.
Again, I got a mineral.
Okay.
Oh, he took out the mineral.
Okay, let's see. Let's see this. I will take
I take
this.
this.
Wow, I like this. It's a biscuit.
Yeah. Oh, my friend have
You
it.
see? I got biscuit. It's so cute,
Smaller.
right? I don't know. Maybe it's the.
Bao.
Yeah. Let's see. I will
Oh,
take.
Take this one.
This one. Let's see. What is that?
Oh, what's this? I think it's a birthday cake.
Huh? Let's see. Oh. Wow, this is a.
Can I see? Oh yeah, this is Be Great. Take this one, of course. Oh my gosh, what did I
I'll
get?
take this.
I got yogurts.
Huh? Wow. Let me see. I got what? I got a Mimi.
Can I see? Oh yeah, you got noodles with eggs and sausages. Take this one. Oh my gosh, you're scared.
Wow, I just have this. What is that?
Oh my god, look at mine.
Wow.
What?
What is that?
I think it's like a roast, like taco roast.
Ooh, taco. What is that?
Bling bling 啊，它水没有 bling bling。
Oh.
你没有看到啊你？So you get something. So finally, I got something so cool. It's literally have a blink.
Oh,
Oh, I got Coca-Cola.
pizza.
I got Coca-Cola.
I
I'm so happy. Wow, that's
got pizza.
something.
Guys, I forgot pizza. It's so cute.
I got Coca-Cola.
Hey. We can eat because pizza and Coca-Cola is the
Yeah, just the
junk
best.
food.
I'll take this.
I will
I
take
just open it.
this one.
Oh, I got the Sunquick juice.
I got a sandwich,
Oh, nice. No, it's not really a sandwich.
but I guess it's a bread.
Oh yeah, so cute. It's prawns with peas. Okay, let me put it for you.
I don't like peas.
Same. Is this sometimes I like peas too?
Yeah. My mommy like peas.
Oh my gosh, there's glitter in it.
Let's see. No, not in my one. I think it's a. Wow! It's a porridge.
I think this is a soup or something.
Okay, let's see.
We got more one, okay?
Okay, I will take this.
I'll take this.
Let's see. What is that?
I got noodles again.
Wow! Wow! What is that?
Oh, this also noodles.
Let's
Xiaojiangmian.
Let's see. Let me take this.
No, you're not opening it. Okay, there. Done. Done. What's this?
What is that?
My bling bling.
What is that?
It's dumplings.
Okay, let's see.
I have a lot of shiny ones. Let's take this one. Let's go.
Okay, this one.
Lucky Bee.
Oh
Oh my gosh, so pretty.
What is it?
I got a heart shape.
What is that? Oh, I got this.
I got a heart shape. Oh, it's almost the same.
Okay.
Okay, I take this. Oh, I got a sandwich. Oh, you got rice.
It's so much like 1,000.
Okay, yeah, that's too much.
Let's see.
Oh, what's this? I have no idea.
Is it oh, it's a water. You see? It got green.
Oh, so cute.
Come on, let's see. I got this. Wow, I got what?
Dumplings. Oh, got siu moi.
I got what?
It's also, I think it's Fanta.
I will get this. What is that?
I have no idea. Let me see. Oh, I got a.
Oh, Campbell will know what is that.
Can I see? Can I see? Oh, it's also same as the one. Wait. Okay, I too much, and I don't know where did I put some of it.
Okay, I will take this one.
Take this one. Ooh. Oh, I got a breakfast. I got a breakfast again.
Look at this. I will take this one.
I'll take this.
Oh, what is that?
Oh my gosh,
water.
Supreme. I got
It's
Supreme.
water.
Supreme water.
This I will take.
Yeah, I think this one is something. Oh, another 什么鱼藕。我最喜欢吃的。
我的 favorite。
我也是。
它是 carrot 的。
对呀，我也是。Cool.
Let's see, I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
What is that?
Pepsi. 我拿 Pepsi，我拿这个3个。
What? I got a glitter.
哦，我也有。这个我有，是蓝色的，漂亮的那个。我一个蓝色的。
Got that. I got this.
Okay, I got lemon juice.
Wow, so many eggs.
Come on, wait for you.
What is that? It's a milk? No.
Oh, 你拿到酒，你拿到 beer。
Okay, let's see. Here, I'll take. Oh, my hands.
对不对？都 dumplings 的。它可以做 breakfast set 了。
我有 mineral water.
你的手打来的。
Mineral water?
没有手打来的，它叫 SODA 手打。
That's fun. I will take this.
什么 lucky 啊 I
What
got
is that?
sausage with sparkles on
I
it.
got a great. I got a great.
Sad. I'm so sad. Too much.
I will take this one.
Oh my gosh. Oh nice. I have sushi.
Wow. I think I got.
See? 差不多一样啊，是不一样。这个 glitter，这个没有 glitter。Luckily we didn't have all of it. It's the same. Okay, now I'm gonna take this.
I'll take this.
Oh my gosh, I got Texas one.
Oh,
Let's see.
I got this. I will take this.
Wait. Okay, fine. I take this.
What is? Oh, I got glitter in the.
那我的去了。别，谢谢，给我看。什么鬼的？ Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys. Bye.
Yeah, come.
Okay. More details. Hold on.
This is okay, come on.
So I'm gonna let you guys see what we have here. There's so much, right? Okay, so some of it we didn't tell you, but I have the most cutest one, which is it's so cute, like glittery. And Bestie, you know I have this, right? You know I've had this, right? Also, Bestie, if you come to my house, I will never gonna give you this. Okay, just go dream about it.